1 inches. I have taken 4 twisted cord of 8 meter length. I'm going to add it in this using lark head knot. And do not complete the lark head knot, leave it here. And now here I have a 2 twisted cord of brown color, and it is of 8 meter as well. I'm going to find the middle point, put it here, and take the half cord through this like this, and now complete this. And now once the lark head knot is completed, take one cord and make a knot like this again. And do exactly the same on the other side. Okay, now what I'm going to do, take a 6 inches brown cord and make a wrapping knot here. Now I'm going to pin it down and start making some So first here I am making a flower knot or daisy knot. For that I'm just taking the two 4 cords and overlapping them and making this loop. And now take one brown cord and make a head knot. So bring it like this. Now bring it through like this. Okay, and do exactly the same here. I'm going to pull both knots like this, and here you have 2 double hitch knot with the brown to start making your flower. Now here I'm making a double lark head knot, one, या दीदी से चेक करवा के आओ, टिक करवा के आओ, सारा जो भी किया तुमने वो सब दीदी को दिखाओ, and if she ticks whatever you've done is completed. या पुराने वाले भी जो तुमने किए हैं वो भी दिखाओ, so that she can check you have actually completed, so that we are not crying on the last day.
Should I take the answers?
Yeah. Okay, once this is done on both sides, we're gonna just again cross over and take one side brown cord and start making head knot, lark head knot again. Okay, so this is done, and again I'm going to do exactly the same with the other brown knot cord. Okay, so here you can see the brown knot is done. Now what I'm going to do is create square knots out of these thick cords, and keeping these two as a filler cord for the square knots. And I am going to create at least 6. Yeah, I'm going to create 6 square knots, and then create another daisy pattern. Okay, so here you can see we've done 3 knots. We're gonna take 3 more, and then we will be creating this pattern. Okay, so here you can see I have already completed 6 knots, 6 square knots, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I am again making the daisy pattern. For that I'm crossing over those 4 mm cotton cords and taking one brown cord and making one double hitch knot. You can also create head knot or the lurk head knot, but it doesn't make much difference either with either of them in the. So I'm going to create lurk head knot here, and last time I created double hitch knot, and I'm going to show you the difference. So whatever you like, you can try that. Okay, now take double hitch knot, lurk head knot. Okay, so here you can see lurk head knot, one lurk head knot is done. Okay, so you can see there two, and and I'm gonna do exactly same the other side for this daisy pattern to be completed. Okay. So you can see the sides, two lurk head knots are done. Now I'm going to create lurk head knot on the bottom part. So cross over the white cords and take one side brown cord and start creating lurk head knot. There we go. Okay, now pull the ends. There we go, and the daisy pattern is completed. So as I said, I'm going to show you the difference between both daisy patterns. So here in this pattern I created lurk head knot here, and on this one I created double hitch knot. So you can see the difference. Yes, there is a little bit difference, but I think both doesn't make much difference for me, so you can choose either of them. But on the bottom part I'm definitely creating lurk head knot. And now continue the same pattern. So here there is a daisy chain and then 6 square knots, then daisy pattern, and then 6 square knot, and then continue until you find the end, the same pattern. Okay, so here you can see I am trying it with a different color, but the pattern is exactly the same. So I'm basically making 7 square knots, and then I'll be making daisy pattern, which I have already done almost halfway around. And here I am doing exactly the same. After completing 7 knots, I am just going to do a daisy pattern, and I'll be doing the end as we did the beginning. So you can see I am just creating the daisy pattern. And now I'm making wrapping knots. So this is one way to end when you have smaller cords So how can you wrap them all together? And I'm going to show you the brown one as well, how I did it. And so yeah, you can use either way. So you just want to fill the deep part of your shovel so that you can so that this doesn't move here and there, and just make a wrapping pattern, and that will be it, and your bag, belt or strap is ready. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here you can see after every seven square knots, I have created one um, daisy knot. So here I'm again, I'm at the end and I am creating the last 7 square knots, and then I'll be creating, so you can see here just after finishing the daisy knot, I am starting to make the square knots, and once I finish, I will be then putting it with wrapping knot to end it, and I'll be adding shovel at the end as well. Okay, so here you can see I have done the um, square knots, and now I'm just making the first part of the daisy knot, and then I'll be adding the shovel at the end, and then I'll be making a wrapping knot. So I'm basically making double hitch knot out of those, and then out of the thick cords, and then I'll be adding a wrapping knot using a brown cord. So for the wrapping knot, I have taken 70 centimeter or long brown cord. You can take 50 as well, because 50 will be fine.